Hello boys and girls. Welcome to Storytime with Auntie Stacee. I'm Auntie Stacee. I'm so glad you came to read with me. The story I'm going to read for you today is called Alex's Super Medicine. I'm not feeling so good, Mom. Let's visit Dr. Brown. She can help. Drink this medicine, Alex. It will make you feel better. But I don't like this medicine. It's yucky. Brother, I'll let you play with my shiny red car if you drink my medicine. No way. How can I make my medicine taste better? I know. I'll put it on my sandwich. Ew. Maybe I should hide it. I know. I'll hide it in the garden. Oh no! I'd better try something else. I know. I'll hide it in a bird's nest. Ah! Maybe I should just try it. I feel so much better now. Whoa! This is actually so much fun. And all I had to do was drink my medicine. You did it, Alex. We're so proud of you. This is the end of the story. What was your favorite part of the story? If you enjoyed the story, ask a grown-up to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with all of your cousins and friends. See you next time.